What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today this video is brought to you by my sponsor Gogocarbon. From the intro you see some beautiful pieces right here. You have some door handle covers, this AC vent cover right here, and you have this lower fender cover for the exterior. It's freaking beautiful piece, man. Beautiful pieces. My boy Derek, he's on his way all the way out from the Bronx. These parts only fit the 08 to 14 WRXSTI. Guys, all these parts made 3K twill weave with a UV protective coating for the finishes integrity. So you've seen I have many parts on Hulk, tons of parts. I have my upper side view mirror cover, lower side view mirror cover, fuel cap, lower fender vent cover, you name it. I have a lot. Exhaust, cover cap overlays. Like, they make really dope pieces, so you can't go wrong. Where you going? All right, guys, this is my boy Derek right here. You saw him pull up making all that goddamn noise, but we're about to get some weird freak storm, so I'm gonna have to improvise and do these outside pieces first. I just wiped down pretty much the lower fender vent. The fitment is actually pretty good. The door handles and even the AC vent on the driver's side. All right, so let me get to it this way. All right, guys, so it's freaking pouring right now, so we did the inside. I'm gonna just do all these parts in one. I can't even do it for separate videos with this weather, but as you can see, this piece fit perfectly. This is the driver's side AC vent cover, and I will tell you, when you peel off the 3M tape, make sure, and once you put it on, start with this side first, or you could start with this edge first. But when you're doing it, massage it in, press it, because there's 3M tape under here, and on these sides. So you want to massage all around, press, keep pressing, and you'll be fine. But it's a nice looking piece. This was a previous video that we did over here, and these things are still hanging on strong, no issue. Even the other side over there too. Look at this guy. But anyway, but yeah, guys, this is pretty freaking sweet. So I just want to have a little break in this rain so I can put on the damn door handle covers. But this is really nice. Really nice piece. All right, guys, look where we are. Literally have to come under an overpass to try to get this shit done because it's raining so damn hard. All right, guys, we're about to put in this lower fender vent and then the door handles. All right, so it's gonna be time lapse, so it's gonna be kind of fast. I don't want to stay under this overpass for too long. All right, the cool thing is this car is low-key cool because all the covers are the same going all around. When I did my door handle covers on my 18 STI, they were different. So low-key, this is actually pretty cool because you could just slap all the handles to any, and you don't have to worry about which one goes to the front, which one goes to the back. So that's a good thing. There is one other anomaly. Just remember, this one here with the hole goes for the front driver's side door, and that's it. All right, guys, I wanted to show you something. When you're putting the door handle covers on or the little attachment, always come from the corner here first. There's a little elbow and there's this little ridge right here. Tuck it in and press down and you're straight. Same thing for this side right here. You start, tuck it in right here and you fold it down, and that shit is on there. As I said before, make sure you massage everything in and you're straight. So the lower fender vents are on. It's on right there, massaged in. Right here, I put my own piece of 3M tape right here. I'll let Gogocarbon know about this little lip right here. But it's perfect. The fitment is good. All the fitments worked out perfectly. This is good. and this is good as well. And the last piece is, damn, that piece looks fly. And we're good. Guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. I was supposed to do this in 3 pieces, but guess what? It's an all-in-one video, so it is what it is. But guys, all the links are gonna be in the description of my video. Just hit up Gogocarbon, and I have a link tree in my Instagram bio. I'll tag that in there as well. On my link tree, I'll have links for 10% off on Amazon on their site. And that's it, guys. Look how dope that shit looks. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. I'll talk to y'all soon. Derek. All right, take it easy, guys.